with either. To use a dial caliper, begin by wiping the jaw contact surfaces clear of any dust, dirt, chips, or oil with either a clean cloth or hand. Clean the inside measurement jaws, the outside measurement jaws, and the depth rod surface. Also check for any burrs on the measuring faces as well. Once you have inspected and cleaned the tool, use moderate finger pressure to close the dial caliper, making sure that the needle reads 0. If it doesn't, loosen the bezel clamp and rotate the face to align the tool. To measure an external feature such as a diameter or the width of two parallel surfaces, open the caliper jaws and place them over the surfaces to be measured. Next, bring the jaws into contact with the surfaces and apply the same amount of moderate finger pressure used when checking the 0 calibration earlier. Note the number of inches by recording the large number on the main beam. Then, record the 100 thousandths number on the main beam. Finally, record the number of thousandths shown on the dial face. Next, add the total measurements. Keep in mind that the inside measuring jaws of the caliper can be used for measuring inside diameters as well as the width between two inside parallel surfaces. In addition, the depth measuring rod can be extended into features to record depth measurements. There are also two surfaces on the end of the caliper for measuring steps.